This tutorial will show you to make transparent video for social media online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to create a transparent video for social media, circles and squares, boys and girls, welcome, is to download and open up Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a free video editing software. Well, at least you gotta download it for 30 days, you get it for free, go on their website, slap the download, and you should be here. Now, let's say we wanna make this video transparent, or we wanna remove the color. In this case, we can go under to effects, and then type in color key, and click color key under keying, and drag it, or slap it onto the video like so. And then click effects control, scroll down, click the drop down arrow under color key, and scroll to the right and click this eyedropper tool and click on the screen, and then you can drag this to the right accordingly. Now basically this is what we have, or should I say we want to export. We want to export this part of the video and just makes this as a transparent video so we can overlay it onto our video clip. So I'm going to add an endpoint by going to the out and an endpoint, and then click Ctrl+M on your keyboard, and under the export settings under format, scroll down and click QuickTime, and then under presets you want to scroll down and click GoPro sign form 12-bit with alpha, or you can click the maximum bit depth for the highest quality possible, and save this under the output name, and you can export the video. If you want to make this transparent in general, you can go to effects control, click motion, click opacity, and click the circle icon to add a keyframe. Let's say we want it right here, and then under opacity where it says 100, click, and you can type in, let's say 0, and as you can see now, the video is transparent completely for free.